Solve trigonometric equation, or solve this trigonometric equation. 4 to the power of sine squared theta plus 4 to the power of cosine squared theta equals 5. We're going to solve for theta in degree. So we know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. That means cosine squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. That means we can substitute this cosine squared theta by 1 minus sine squared theta. Then this becomes 4 to the power of sine squared theta plus 4 to the power of 1 minus sine squared theta equals 5. So that means we can split this one into 4 to the 1 times 4 to the minus sine squared theta. Then this is equal to 4 to the power of sine squared theta plus 4 to the 1 times 4 to the minus sine squared theta equals 5. Now let's introduce a new variable z, and z is equal to 4 to the sine squared theta. We'll call that, okay? So that means 4 to the power of sine squared theta is z. Then this is 4 times z to the minus 1 equals 5. Now let's multiply both sides by z. Then this becomes z plus 4 times z to the minus 1 all to the times z equals 5z. Then this is z squared plus 4 equals 5z. Then this is z squared minus 5z plus 4 equals 0. This can be factored into z times z minus 1 times z minus 4 equals 0. That means z minus 1 equals 0. That gives z equals 1. And z minus 4 equals to 0. Z equals 4. Now for z equals 1, 4 to the sine squared theta equals z. That means 4 to the sine squared theta is equal to 1, and 1 is 4 to the 0. That means sine squared theta is equal to 0. That means sine theta is equal to 0. That means theta is sine inverse of 0. This is the first solution. Okay? And this, as we know, theta equals sine inverse of 0 is equal to 0 degree, 180 degrees, 360 minus 180 minus 360. It is all the coterminals of 0 and 180. Okay? So that means this is theta is equal to 180 times n, where n is any integer from negative infinity to infinity. That is, it is coterminals of 0 and coterminals of 180. Then for z equals 4, 4 to the sine squared theta is equal to z. That is 4 to the power of sine squared theta is equal to 4. And 4 is equal to 4 to the 1. That means sine squared theta is equal to 1. That means sine theta is equal to plus or minus 1. So that means when sine theta is equal to 1, theta is sine inverse of 1, which is, this is the second solution. And for this we know that sine theta is sine inverse of 1. It is 90 degree, and all it is coterminals: 450, 810, minus 270, minus 630, all coterminals. Well, so this is theta equals 90 degree plus 360 degree times n, where n is any integer from negative infinity to infinity. Then when theta is equal to minus 1, the sine theta is equal to minus 1. Theta is sine inverse of minus 1, and this is the third solution. And this is theta equals sine inverse of minus 1 is 270, and all it is coterminals: 630, 990, minus 90, minus 450. So it is theta equals 270 degree plus 360 degree times n, that is 270, plus it is all coterminals. Therefore, the three solutions is: one is the quadrantal angle theta equals 180 degree times n, and the 2 is the quadrantal angle 90 degree, and it is all coterminals. The third one is the quadrantal angle 270 degree plus it is all coterminals. So it is theta equals 180 degree times n plus theta equals, if we factor out 90 degree, is 90 degree times 1 plus 4n, and theta equals 90 degree times 3 plus 4n. And this is in picture format. So it is, the first solution is theta equals 180 degree times n. It is the coterminals, all coterminals 0 and 180, and all it is, they are coterminals. And the second one is 90 degree times 1 plus 4n. It is a 90 degree, and it is all coterminals. And it is 270 degree, and all it is coterminals, which is 90 degree times 3 plus 4n, where n is from negative infinity to infinity, any integer. And thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.